Look at this channel. Cinematic history documentaries pulling hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. Channels you've never heard of quietly generating insane traffic using AI. And the craziest part? Most people still don't know how they're doing it. In this video, I'm breaking down my exact system for creating viral, Netflix-level history documentaries using Seedance 2.0 in top meta AI. No expensive team, no complex editing, just a powerful, untapped workflow. And to prove it works, here is a full documentary I created in minutes.
It's just a narrow strip of water, barely 33 kilometers wide at its tightest point. And yet, this single passage holds the fate of the modern world in its grip. Every day, an invisible lifeline flows through it, fueling cities, powering industries, sustaining billions of lives. But what if, without warning, that lifeline snapped? No ships, no oil, no movement.
To lay the foundation for this entire system, open ChatGPT and set things up the right way. What we're using is a powerful three-part structure that turns simple ideas into fully produced, viral history documentaries. The first step is idea generation. You instruct the AI to think like a viral YouTube documentary producer. Not just any creator, but someone who understands storytelling, curiosity, and what keeps people watching. For this example, we're building a concept around the Strait of Hormuz. Nearly 20% of the world's oil passes through this single, narrow stretch of water in Iran. Once the idea is locked in, we move to step 2, which is the script. Here, you push the AI to deliver a deeply engaging narration designed for an 8 to 12-minute documentary. The key detail, and this is where most people get it wrong, is how the script is written. You guide the AI to use short, powerful, thought-provoking sentences that feel intentional, almost like every line carries weight. That is what keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Now comes the most important step in the entire workflow. Step 3. This is where most people completely fall apart. You take that script and tell ChatGPT to transform it into a detailed, sequential shot list. Every line of narration becomes a visual moment. Every sentence turns into a scene. To make this easy, I've already prepared copy and paste templates for all 3 steps. You can grab them from the document link below so you don't make mistakes or slow yourself down. This exact stage is where the majority of creators destroy their chances without even realizing it. And this is also where we gain a massive advantage. Now we move into production. Head over to topmediai.com through the link in the description and sign up for free. This is where you access Seedance 2.0. If you are still using older AI video tools, you are honestly wasting your time. Seedance 2.0 in Top Media AI operates on a completely different level. It understands motion, physics, and visual consistency in a way that current tools simply cannot match. Inside the Seedance 2.0 dashboard, you take the detailed visual prompts that ChatGPT generated for you and paste them directly into the prompt box. Do not touch image references at this stage. We are going fully text to video. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 because we are building a cinematic documentary, not a vertical clip. Choose your duration, then generate. What happens next is the difference between channels that explode and channels that stay invisible. Seedance processes your prompts and produces clean, hyper-realistic B-roll that is actually usable. You are not getting broken hands, distorted buildings, or strange artifacts. The output looks like real footage, like you sent a professional film crew to Iran. From here, you go through your entire ChatGPT shot list and generate each clip one by one. You build your entire visual library piece by piece and download everything. Next, we create the voiceover. Take your narration script and move over to 11 Labs. What you are looking for here is a voice that holds attention and carries authority for the full duration of the video. I personally go with the Ash voice. It has that deep and energetic tone, but still feels grounded enough for documentary storytelling. Paste your script, generate the audio, and download the file. Now, everything starts coming together. My WhatsApp and Telegram community is already using this exact workflow. They are tapping into this niche early, using Seedance, and getting ahead of trends before the rest of YouTube even notices. If you are serious about turning this into a real business, the link is down below. Now we assemble the final product. Open up CapCut on your PC. You can use video editing software you prefer, but CapCut is fast, efficient, and gets the job done without slowing you down. Start by placing your 11 Labs voiceover onto the timeline. This is your foundation. Everything revolves around the audio. You never build visuals first. The voice drives the entire experience. Next, begin adding your Seedance clips. Here is where retention is won or lost. Your visuals must match the rhythm of the narration. When the voice pauses, shifts tone, or delivers a powerful line, that is where your scene changes. You do not leave clips running longer than necessary. If a sentence ends in 4 seconds, you trim the clip to match that exact moment. Every cut should feel intentional and synchronized. Now we elevate it further. To achieve that true cinematic feel, you need to refine the footage. Select your clips, go into the adjustment panel, and begin color grading. Even though Seedance gives strong visuals, you want consistency across the entire documentary. Lower the temperature slightly to give the scenes a colder, more historical tone. Adjust the curves by deepening the shadows and lifting the highlights to create dramatic contrast. This step transforms your video from decent to premium. Now everything feels cohesive, everything feels intentional, everything feels like a real documentary. Add captions if you want. Export your video. Follow for more systems like this and more untapped niches. Do not sit on this. Start building.